eyeball slime.
Hey guys, my name's Alana.
And I'm Ava.
And we're the California Slime Sisters.
Today we are going to make
Halloween eyeball slime.
The ingredients you'll need are glue, Tide, and paint. And for the eyeballs, we're going to use they're kind of flat. So they're like these little eyeball thingies, here's it open. And so, oh yeah, and you're going to need 1/3 of a cup of glue and 2 tablespoons of Tide. And so, Alana, let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to be, of course, you can use black. We're going to use orange.
Yeah.
You can actually use whatever color you want, but, since it's Halloween, we want to make orange slime with eyeballs. Okay. No. Oopsies. I'll clean that up later. Get out. Glue. Whoa. Can you get that? Oh, and so for glue, you can use clear glue or white glue. It doesn't really matter. We just like to use white glue since I feel like, I don't know why.
It just makes it better.
Yeah, in a way. Like the color, I feel like it just comes out. But, clear glue, when you do the color, it looks super cool. You just got glue on my shirt.
Sorry.
Okay, and I'm going to use this orange paint. Okay, and for the paint, since this Tide is blue, you guys would probably like to use clear Tide way more, since it makes the color more better. Cause like this, it just makes it like the color doesn't super pop like a lot. Oh, and you can use shaving cream in this and whatever you want. You can, and we're just making normal slime. We have shaving cream, and we're just gonna make normal. Okay, I'm gonna add my eyeballs. Okay. I'm not gonna add a ton though.
Yeah, because you want to save some for me.
Whoa, eyeballs. Get off of me. I'm trying to find the little ones.
Yeah, not like the huge ones.
Okay, I'm gonna see if this is enough, and then I can always go back and add some more eyeballs. This is gonna be so cool. Yeah. And the containers, you can use whatever container you have. And if you wanna make more of this, then make more of this. And we might put them in these little jars. We got these from actually fondant jars.
Yeah.
You can use fondant jars. The fondant we got from Michael's. That's where we usually get all the stuff. Okay. Now, I think I should start kneading. Alana, are you oh, there's a little bit more. This is from me. Okay. I'm gonna start kneading. Alana, how is yours going?
It's going good. I'm just going to add a little bit more detergent. It's a little bit sticky.
And this fell out. Okay. And so, you can use, you don't have to use these eyeballs, at all. I think I need to add a little bit more, to be honest. Because there's not a lot. There isn't a lot in here.
Don't want too much.
And, you definitely do not have to use this color. You can use whatever color you want. But we are using this eyeball slime. Look, they look exactly the same.
Yeah.
Huh, this is like not stretchy. It's already done, but look, it's not very stretchy. Wonder why.
It's kind of like fluffy slime, except you didn't
Bad fluffy slime.
Yeah. Except we didn't use shaving
Okay,
cream.
look guys, I'm already done. Well, that was very quickly.
Yeah.
Hey, do you have more? I don't know. Okay, I am going to put mine in my jar. I'm going to use this one. Or, hold on, can I use one? Okay. I used to have light purple slime, but I threw it out since it was terrible. That's what it says it. Is this enough eyeballs?
Yeah.
I don't know. Whoa, I keep dropping stuff. Whoa. I am so, okay. Look, it fits perfectly. I'm gonna add don't get slime on me. We already got glue. I'm adding a little bit more eyeballs at the front so it will look super creepy. Like eyeballs.
There's mine.
No, it's right here.
Oh, that's actually.
You guys look at the front. Look what I did. I just put like eyeballs to make it like look super creepy. Ta-da. Okay, this is my light purple slime. Just kidding. My Halloween eyeball. There's 2 eyeballs on this. Look, it looks so weird. Okay, Alana, did you put all your eyeballs on? Show them.
Okay.
She has a lot of eyeballs. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
We hope you use our method. These are big. And remember to subscribe.
Subscribe.
And you can like it too. Please do it. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.